This is my day 2 in Volta region. Yeah, they won. They are chanting at 12:41. Hey, that'd be hard, bro. Oh, Charlie. I cry, I'm missing a lot, bro.
Jesus this morning.
Bro.
What else I say why I don't marry?
I guess some angry boys for crying inside there, boss. I won't make them come top mountain.
We are back from the mountain, as you can see. That's the mountain right behind us.
You don't go give up. The first game, you don't go give up, bro.
But we did what?
But I heard something about before the game they had some.
Yeah, we want to come.
Yeah. What happened?
So those of you enjoying the sea in Accra, we are also enjoying the biggest river in Ghana, which is Volta. So we are going now. So follow me, let's go. Follow me. Let's go. This is the entrance into the forest. This is the boundary.
How do you know it?
Alright, so you can take it freshly
like this.
Yeah. And it's even so we are now going deep into the forest reserve. Yeah, in the forest reserve.
So this is where you are saying you can find animals like
this small water feeds the whole village. Cameraman drinking from the same water. The rocks you see has other natural resources. We have gold, we have manganese, we have bauxite all around here. Yes.
Wow.
But we have Mountain Afajato far behind here.
Oh, okay.
Which you can view from
here.
The cook banku that is literally hard. Let me put it that way, literally hard, which is not soft. And with the sense that it will last long on them before the digesting.
So tell me, this neighborhood, people can live normal, everything they intact to go.
This one be grass cutter into the sea, no be foul. Grass cutter in the sea.
The acidity, it's in here.